As an HR information system specialist, you know that the way we work in HR is undergoing a dramatic transformation. Traditional methods like manual spreadsheets and endless paperwork are becoming a thing of the past as artificial intelligence redefines how HR functions every day. If you're ready to boost your career, secure your job, and unlock new opportunities, it's time to embrace AI as a vital part of your toolkit. By mastering AI, you'll learn to automate tedious tasks, quickly identify trends, and make smarter decisions that truly matter. Imagine cutting your workload drastically through intelligent automation, freeing up valuable time to focus on strategic tasks that can really move your organization forward. Our course offers hands-on experience with modern AI tools designed specifically for HR professionals. You'll gain practical skills by working directly with systems that streamline data processing, payroll, recruitment analytics, and much more. Better yet, most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Not only will you refine your technical skills, but you'll also learn to harness AI-driven insights that improve decision-making across various HR functions. With regularly updated content that stays current with technological progress, you will always be prepared for whatever comes next in the ever-evolving field of HR. Elevate your potential by making AI a central part of your professional journey. You can find all AI for HR information systems specialist training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.